Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to install Zorin OS 17 on Windows without dual boot. Zorin OS is a Linux-based operating system that aims to provide a user-friendly interface with a design similar to that of Windows, making it an attractive option for users looking to transition from Windows. Let's start the installation. First, make sure virtualization is enabled in your PC. Then we need to download and install VirtualBox machine in the PC. I will put the download link in the description. Then go to Zorin website and download Zorin OS 17 free version. You can purchase the Zorin OS 17 Pro version if you want it, but I will download the Zorin OS free version for this video. I already downloaded the Zorin OS 17, so now I will show you how to install it via VirtualBox machine. Now open the VirtualBox machine on your PC. As you can see, I am already running Kali iOS via VirtualBox as well. Now I will install Zorin OS 17.1 on it also. Now hit on New, and then give the name like Zorin OS. Then select the iOS image and choose the downloaded Zorin iOS image and hit Next. Now give the RAM and CPU counts in the settings, and then hit Next. Then give virtual hard disk space, and then hit Next. Then hit Finish to complete the settings. Now you will see Zorin OS 17 image will appear the VirtualBox machine. Now simply hit Start to run the setup of Zorin OS. Now hit Enter on Install Zorin OS, then you will see the installation will start. It will take a little while to install the complete setup of Zorin OS on the VirtualBox, depends on your PC specs. Once it's done, simply hit on Try Zorin OS. That's it, our Zorin OS 17.1 is installed and working properly in our VirtualBox machine. Zorin OS 17.1 is now powered by the same version of the Linux kernel and graphics stack as in the latest Ubuntu 23.10. It comes with updated drivers, bringing even better support for a wider range of hardware. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe.